Okay, so this is the wall that I'm going to be shiplapping. This back wall back here, it's pretty big. So it's from here and then it goes all the way down there. I already removed all the picture frames and stuff that I had on the wall. So now what I'm going to do next is remove all of the nails and stuff that I have in the wall, and then I'm going to get my stud finder and mark where all my studs are on this wall. In between the panels, so it'll have a good you know, width in between them, because that's what shiplap is supposed to look like. Okay guys, so I am probably about 85–95% finished. This is what the wall looks like. I haven't been videoing. My camera has been, the battery's been really weird lately, so I haven't been able to get a lot of footage. But like I said, all I've been doing is just putting these panels on the wall and putting nails where the studs are. When you get down to the bottom, for me, we have these little plugs down here, and what I did was unscrew this plug cover, and I just placed it on top, and then I just cut out. It's not perfect this side or up here, but it looks very close. Once I painted it, it should be fine. I did accidentally put this board backwards because it has the tag on it, but I'm gonna paint it and it's gonna be fine. So now what I'm gonna do on this side is the same thing, because I have my cable plug right here, and then I have another plug. So I took out that plug cover, and I'm just gonna draw it on this board and then take it to my garage and cut out the pieces. And I'll be right back.